Dear friends, welcome to online classes pharmacy lecture notes. Today we are going to discuss human anatomy and physiology, D Pharma first year, chapter the cell, and we are going to discuss in Odia language also so that it is easy to understand. So first syllabus, the structure of cell, function of its component with special reference to the mitochondria and microsomes. So before going to start, so what are the different question comes in the previous year? Let us discuss. So first question, draw a net level diagram of typical human cell. Describe briefly about the cell organelles. 7 plus 8 in 2007. Define cell. Name the organelles of cytoplasm. Write the structure and function of mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. 1 plus 2 plus 12 in 2010 and same question repeated in 2015. Third question, define cell, name the organelles of cytoplasm, write details on mitosis and meiosis. 2 plus 2 plus 6 in 2011. Mitochondria short note 5 mark question comes in 2014. So from this different type of question, we are getting brief idea that what are the different question comes. Like mainly organelles of cytoplasm and cell division. So we are going to focus what are the different organelles present in the cytoplasm and cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis. So in this first video we are trying to cover the introduction part as well as endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. In our next video, the later, the remaining cytoplasmic organelles and cell division we will going to discuss or we are planning to discuss in our next video. So let us first discuss about the introduction part. That is, what is cell? A cell are the basic building block of living organism or living things. Basic building block. Next, the human body is composed of trillions of cells. Not millions, it is trillions of cells. And every cell has its own structure and function. So it is also called structural and functional unit of living organism because it has special structure as well as specialized function. So cells are the basic structure of all living organism. So it provides the structure of the body, take in nutrient from food and carry out important function. So cells are the group together to form tissue, which in turn group together to form organs such as heart and brain. That means when cells are combined together to form tissue and when tissue are combined together to form organ, when combined or organs are combined together to form system, when system are combined together to form human body. So this is the cell. So our cell contain number of functional structure that is called organelles. That means each cell contain different organelles. And these organelles carry out such as making protein or processing chemical or generating energy for the cell. So the nucleus is based at the center of the cell and is control room of the cell. And the genome is found within the nucleus. That is DNA, RNA. So this is all about the introduction part of the cell. कौन कहला ना इट इज ए बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक जेमती गोटे घर तैयारी हेबा पई बिल्डिंग तैयारी हेबा पई इटा गोटे गोटे जोड़ी हिकी तैयारी हेता सिमिलरली गोटे ह्यूमन बॉडी तैयारी हेबा पई गोटे इटा बलिया सेल गुडा को गोटे पर गोटे कॉम्बिनेशन हेकी तैयारी करता द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ ट्रिलियंस ऑफ सेल्स एंड से जो सेल गुडार स्पेसिफिक स्पेशलाइज्ड different function. See the figure in next slide. Like stem cell, RBC, WBC केमती तैयारी हबो responsible, bone cell same, blood cell, muscle cell, fat cell, skin cell, nerve cell, endothelial cell, sex cell, pancreatic cell, cancer cell. Similar types of cells are present. See the structure of the cells, different structure. प्रत्येकटा सेल रो अलग अलग स्ट्रक्चर तार फंक्शन दैट मीन्स स्पेशलाइज्ड स्ट्रक्चर एज वेल एज स्पेशलाइज्ड फंक्शन so it is called structural and functional unit of living organism is called cell. So cell provide the structure of the body, take nutrient. How it provides the structure or it take nutrient or nutrition from food and carry out the important function or perform the important function. So when cells are combined together, the cells गुड़ा मिशंती टिश्यू तैयारी करंती. When tissue are combined together, the tissue मिशंती organ हुंती. When organs are combined together, गोटे system form करंती. जतरा गोटे system और system मिशंती human body तैयारी करती. So सेटा कहला cells group together to form tissue combine together to form organ combine together to form system combine together to form human body. आउ कौन कहला ना प्रत्येकटा सेल contain number of functional structure ता भितरे बहुत गोटे functional structure contain करके रखते ताकू कहती organelles. आउ न्यूक्लियस सेंटर रे न्यूक्लियस base of the center of the cell will go through detail. So the component of the cell now what are the different components present in cell that is plasma membrane or cell membrane or nucleus or cytoplasm. These are the three components present in the cell. See the figure. The outer membrane. See, the outer membrane is called plasma membrane or this region is cytoplasm or center is nucleus. So the plasma membrane is also called cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane. ताको मध्य plasma membrane or cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane कहा जाता है. So cell membrane separate the interior of the cell from the outside surrounding. ये कौन करे ना सेपरेट कर दी आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड रो आउटसाइड और इनसाइड. So main function of the cell membrane it protect the cell or what is shape आकार देता है. It gives a shape and it allow the water mineral necessary substance so pass through this cell membrane. So again a quick recap of the what is plasma membrane or cell membrane. कौन लिखियो plasma membrane is also called cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane. It separates the interior of all cell from the outside. So what is the function? It protects the cell and gives it a shape and it allow water, mineral and some other necessary substance to pass through it. Now comes to the nucleus. It is present at the center. So a small spherical block body floating within the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm ଭିତରେ ବା ସେଲର ସେଣ୍ଟର ପୋଜିସନରେ ଭାସମାନ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଥାଏ. Floating within the cytoplasm at the center of the cell is called nucleus. Nucleus is separate from cytoplasm by thin membrane. ଯେମିତି cell କୁ inside ଆଉ outside କୁ cell membrane separate କରୁଛି, similarly nuclear membrane nucleus କୁ ଆଉ cytoplasm କୁ separate କରିଥାଏ. So a thin membrane is separate from cytoplasm and nucleus, that is called nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane is porous and allow the movement of material between the cytoplasm and nucleus. That means essential element are passes through the nuclear membrane as it is made up of porous membrane. छिद्र थाए तेणु एसेंशियल जो गुड़ा दरकारी से गुड़ाक ता भीतर को पशिज न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन देकी न्यूक्लियस को. So this is the figure of cell. Again quick recap. Component of the cell, it is plasma membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. तीनटा होची component. Plasma membrane also called cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane. ये कौन करते हैं? सेपरेट करे इंटीरियर और आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, इनसाइड आउटसाइड को सेपरेट करते हैं. मेन फंक्शन कौन? प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. और कौन? मिनरल और अदर नेसेसरी सब्सटेंस और वाटर को पास थ्रू दिस सेल मेम्ब्रेन. सेटा हला सेल मेम्ब्रेन और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. न्यूक्लियस कौन? सेंटर रे भासमान अवस्था रे फ्लोटिंग अवस्था रे थाए. तार गोटे न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन कवर करके रखता है जे कि सेपरेट करे न्यूक्लियस और साइटोप्लाज्म. नाउ कम्स टू द what is there inside the nucleus. से जो न्यूक्लियस बा फ्लोटिंग अवस्था रे भीतर अछि कोते ता भीतर कोन अछि? Liquid which is present in the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. That means inside the nucleus one liquid is present, that is called nucleoplasm. A smaller spherical body present inside the nucleus, that is called nucleolus. One spherical body अछि ताको nucleolus कहा जाय. गोटे लिक्विड अच्छी न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म कहा जाए. थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस ताको क्रोमोसोम कहा जाए. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ क्रोमोसोम? क्रोमोसोम कैरी द जीन्स which contain the information needed by the cell to reproduce for the cell to the next generation. So the genes are responsible for inheritance. गुणसूत्र वहन करिथांती. These are the chromosome responsible for one generation to next generation. Genes are responsible for inheritance, that is transferring of characteristic from parent to offspring. So the nucleus is the control center of the brain or brain of the cell. It direct growth of the cell and control all the activity go on within the cell. The control center of the cell. Nucleus. So ताले quick recap of the nucleus. Nucleus is separate from cytoplasm by a thin membrane, that is nuclear membrane. जो nuclear membrane रे porous अछि जे कि essential element और material गुडा को movement पई सहायता करि थाए. आउ न्यूक्लियस भितरे गोटे लिक्विड अछि ताको हम न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म मध्ये कहि थाउ. स्फेरिकल शेप अछि ताको न्यूक्लियोलस कहा जाय. थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर अछि ताको क्रोमोसोम कहा जाय. क्रोमोसोम गुडा को गुणसूत्र वहन करे इनहेरिटेंस. आउ न्यूक्लियस ता होची कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ द ब्रेन. नाउ कम्स टू द cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is also known as protoplasm. When cytoplasm plus nucleus combinedly called protoplasm. So the cytoplasm is the place where number of cell organelles like Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, or other organelles are freely floating भासमान अवस्था रे थाए. So cytoplasm is the place where the cell organelles are freely floating. And cytoplasm is made up of many kind of molecule and various enzyme. It is made up of enzyme, sugar, fatty acid and amino acid that are necessary for the function of cell. So it contains enzyme, sugar, fatty acid, amino acid which is necessary to perform the cell function. And another function that is waste product are also dissolved in this fluid and it is excreted out through vacuoles. So whatever the unwanted material are how excreted through vacuoles or it is dissolved in the fluid and excreted out through vacuoles. So this is cytoplasm. कौन कहला ना जेतेबेले cytoplasm सेटा न्यूक्लियस कंबाइनली आमे ताकू कहू प्रोटोप्लाज्म एवं साइटोप्लाज्म टाको साइटोप्लाज्म रे डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनेल्स गुडा को भासमान अवस्था रे थांते लाइक कौन कौन ऑर्गेनेल्स ना गोल्गी बॉडी एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया माइक्रोफिलामेंट डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनेल्स आर प्रेजेंट. How come? The cytoplasm, it is many kind of molecule. Different molecules are present. How? Various enzyme, sugar, fatty acid, amino acid. So necessary. काहे कि से मैंने थांती ना for their necessary function. दरकारी कार्य करी थांती. कौन कार्य will go through one by one. Suppose what is the function of mitochondria, what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum, will go through detail. And another major function that is waste product are dissolved in this fluid and it is excreted out through vacuoles. जहाँ भी waste material रहिला सेमाने vacuole through देके बाहर को बाहर जाती. So this is all about your cytoplasm. Now it consists of two components cytoplasm. जोटा कहली क्लियर फ्लूइड गोटे पर्सन क्लियर फ्लूइड साइटोप्लाज्म थाए जोटी ऑर्गेनेल्स गुडा भासमान अवस्था रे थांती आ गोटे कोन ना ऑर्गेनेल्स दैट इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया गोल्गी एपरेटस लाइसोसोम पेरोक्सिसोम माइक्रोट्यूबुल्स माइक्रोफिलामेंट्स. So these are the organelles present in the cytoplasm. We'll go through details. What are the organelles? Like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. So what is endoplasmic reticulum? It is a network of flattened membrane-bound cells that are involved in the production, processing and transport of protein that has been synthesized by the ribosome. कौन कहला ना राइट एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज ए नेटवर्क एंड फ्लैटेंड. See the figure, network-like structure. Membrane bound cell that are involved production करिवो, processing करिवो and transportation of protein. जोटा की तैयारी हेतिबो राइबोसोम. So further processing and transportation through the endoplasmic reticulum. Whatever the protein synthesized by the ribosome. So the endoplasmic reticulum is like the assembly line of the cell where the product produced by the ribosome are produced and assembled. So the two type of endoplasmic, one is a wrapped endoplasmic reticulum, another one smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Has a ribosome attached. See the figure, ribosome. See the figure, ribosome attached. In case of wrapped endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic, there is no ribosome attached. It is responsible for the lipid synthesis and rough endoplasmic responsible for the protein synthesis. कौन पढ़िले endoplasmic reticulum? A network of flattened membrane bound cells that are mainly involved for the production, processing and transportation of protein. But in case of wrap endoplasmic, it is concerned for synthesis of protein. Smooth endoplasmic concerned for lipid synthesis. Wrap endoplasmic attached ribosome, but smooth endoplasmic no ribosome attached. This is all about your endoplasmic reticulum. Now comes to the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the energy producing organelle or powerhouse of the cell. Everyone knows it is the powerhouse of the cell. So the process of cellular respiration occur in the mitochondria. So during this process, sugar and fatty acid are broken down through a series of chemical reactions, release energy in the form of ATP. हम पढ़ी बायोकेमिस्ट्री ग्लूकोज ग्लूकोज 6 फॉस्फेट फ्रुक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट एबळे जो सिंथेसिस होता है एवं एटीपी रिलीज हुए. So during this process, sugar and fat are broken down through a series of chemical reaction and release energy in the form of ATP. So in this process, so it कोठी हुए ताले ये जो cellular respiration process or ATP generate mitochondria. It has two membrane, the inner membrane and the outer membrane. See the figure, inner membrane and outer membrane. See, inner membrane and outer membrane. While the outer membrane is smooth and contain porins, chidra, outer membrane, which allow the movement of ion into and out of the mitochondria. Ion गुड़ाक कौन हुए जीवा आसवा करिया पई in and out हेबा पई सुविधा हुए through these porins. And inner membrane contain manifold ताऊ cristae बोली कुआ जाए. See figure cristae which provide more surface area for important reactions. Especially the inner membrane of mitochondria is the home of electron transport. It is the essential part of the process that exerts energy from glucose and stored in the bond of ATP. So the space inside the organelle is called matrix. जो space inner membrane रो जो space टाको ताको आ जाए matrix. So the matrix contain free DNA. See, these are the free DNA and free ribosome. See, the free ribosome which helps to synthesize some lipid and protein. So not only it synthesizes the ATP but also it synthesizes some amount of lipid and protein through free DNA and free ribosome. Because the matrix contain free DNA and free ribosome. हेले a quick recap of the mitochondria कौन पढ़िले power house of the cell को जाए. outer membrane अच्छी inner membrane अच्छी outer membrane छिद्र थाए porins essential element गुड़ा को जीवा आसवा पई सुविधा हबो. inner membrane कौन ना inner membrane folded structure ताऊ को जाए matrix आउ ए फ्री स्पेस रे फ्री डीएनए और फ्री राइबोसोम थाए जे कि सिंथेसिस करे लिपिड और प्रोटीन. This is all about your mitochondria. In the next video, we'll go through detail of other cell organelles and cell division, mitosis and meiosis part. So, thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.